Now we are going to look at text and value function. Let's start with text function. Text function helps to change the appearance of any specific value. Also, it helps to carve out certain information from date, or to change the date format, or to change the number to text format. So for this purpose we can use text function. So now in this table I have date and I have values. So what I want is, let's start with date. So from this date I want to pick out only the day. Text. So the first reference is value, select the value. So date is my value. And the format. So from the date I want only the day. To get day, just update D 4 times. Enter. So now you got the day. So here I have the full character of the day. In case if I want only the first 3 character of the day, use same text function, select the date, comma, and to get only 3 character, update only 3D. It helps to get only the first 3 character of the day. Same thing we try for month. Text, select the date, and the format I want full month. So 4 times. So I'll get the full months. In case if I want only first 3 character, text, select the month, and update only 3M. So now I got only the first 3 character from the month. You can also using text function, you can also change the date format. So now I have date here. So let me change the format. Go to format cell, date. So I'll choose this format. So this is how I have date. Now I want to change the date format and I want to make it proper. Text, select the value, and I want a format, start with DD hyphen, and I want month in text. To get it, update M 3 times, and year. I want all the 4 character of the year. Close the bracket. So now your date has been converted to proper date format. You can also use text function to convert that text to number. Text. So I have numbers here. So I want to convert this number to text. To do that, text. So we have selected the number, and within double quote you can use and. This will help to convert the number to text format. So now if you see, the number has been converted to text format. To check that, so I have numbers here and also have total. I'll copy paste the same total here. See, we are not getting any total value because this is in text format. So some function will not work for this range. So now we'll move to values. Value function helps to convert the text to number. In case if we have any number in text format, if you want to convert that into number format, you can use value function. So here I have few values. So these are in text format, and what I want to do is I'll update sum function equal sum. If you see, the result is 0. The reason is all this number are in text format. So I want to convert all this number to number format. To do that, I will use value function. Value and select the text. Simple. So now the text has been converted to number. So now I'll apply the same formula, copy and paste. So now I get the values. You can also update proper number format, comma, exclude decimal. Here also I'll change to number format, but it won't work because these are text. So when I try to change the format for this, it changed, but here when I tried, it was not working because these are text. Hope you understood. Let's move to next function.